I can't find my order. Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Of course. What's the problem?
I ordered something online last week, but I can't find it now.
Okay. Do you have the order number?
I think so. Let me check my phone.
No problem. Take your time.
Here it is. The order number is 4521.
Thank you. Let me look that up in the system.
Sure.
What's your name, please?
My name is Mali.
Mali? Okay, I found your account.
Great. Can you see my order?
I see 2 orders from last week.
2? I only remember 1.
One is from Monday and one is from Wednesday.
Oh, I forgot about the second one.
What did you order, Mali?
A pair of black shoes, size 7.
Okay, that matches the Monday order.
Good. Where is it now?
Let me check the delivery status.
Please, I really need those shoes.
It says delivered on Tuesday.
Delivered? But I never got a package.
Are you sure? Maybe someone else received it.
I live alone. No one else could take it.
What is your delivery address?
12 Green Street, Apartment 3.
The system shows 12 Green Street, Apartment 13.
13? That's not my apartment.
It looks like there was a mistake with the address.
Oh no, that's a different apartment number.
I understand. This happens sometimes.
So my shoes went to the wrong apartment?
It's possible. Let's check a few things first.
Okay, what do you need to know?
When did you place the order?
Last Monday in the morning.
And what payment method did you use?
I paid with my credit card.
Perfect. That matches our records.
So what can we do now?
We have 2 options.
What are they?
First, we can send a new pair of shoes.
And the second option?
We can give you a full refund.
How long does a new delivery take?
Usually 3 to 5 business days.
That's a long time. I need shoes for a trip.
When is your trip?
This Friday.
3 to 5 days might be too late.
Yes, exactly. That's a problem.
Let me check if we have the same shoes in the store.
That would be perfect.
1 moment, please.
Take your time.
Good news! We have your size in the store.
Really? Black? Size 7?
Yes, we have 2 pairs left.
Can I get one of them today?
Yes, but there is a small difference.
What difference?
The in-store price is a little higher.
How much higher?
The online price was $30. In the store, it's $35.
That's $5 more.
Yes, I'm sorry about that.
It's not a big problem. I need the shoes for my trip.
I understand. What would you like to do?
Can you give me the shoes now and fix the price?
Let me ask my manager about the price difference.
Sure, no problem.
Please wait 1 minute.
Okay, I'll wait here.
Thank you for your patience, Molly.
It's fine. I understand these things happen.
My manager said we can give you the store price for free.
Really? That's very kind.
Yes, because the delivery mistake was our fault.
Thank you so much. That helps a lot.
You're welcome. Let's fix this problem together.
So, can I get the shoes now?
Yes, 1 moment. I'll bring them from the shelf.
Great, thank you.
Here they are. Black, size 7.
Perfect. Can I try them on?
Of course. The fitting area is over there.
Thanks. I'll be back in a minute.
Take your time.
Okay, I tried them on. They fit well.
Wonderful. Are you happy with them?
Yes, very comfortable.
Great. Now let's talk about the missing package.
Right. What happens to the shoes at apartment 13?
We will contact that address and ask them to return the package.
And if they don't return it?
Then we will mark it as lost and update our address system.
Will my address be correct next time?
Yes, I'm updating it right now.
Please write apartment 3, not 13.
Done. Apartment 3, 12 Green Street.
Perfect. Thank you for fixing that.
No problem. Now, do you still want a refund for the first order?
No, I don't think so. I have the shoes now.
That's true. So we can close this issue.
Yes, please close it.
All right. I'll mark this order as resolved.
Thank you for your help today.
You're welcome. I'm glad we solved it.
Me too. I was worried about my trip.
I understand. Traveling without shoes would be difficult.
Exactly. Now I can pack my bag tonight.
That sounds like a good plan.
One more question. Can I track my orders more easily next time?
Yes, you can check the order status in your account app.
I didn't know that. How does it work?
Open the app, go to My Orders, and click on the order number.
That sounds simple.
It shows the delivery date and the address too.
That will help me avoid this problem in the future.
Exactly. It's a useful tool.
Thank you for showing me.
You're welcome. Do you have any other questions?
No, I think that's everything.
Great. Here is your receipt for the shoes.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too, Molly. Enjoy your trip.
I will. Thanks again for all your help.
It was my pleasure. See you next time.